Hi, I heard about the Winona HRT on Instagram, like probably a lot of people did, and I am on the younger end of somebody who might be in perimenopause, but I have experienced weight gain. I was not sleeping well. My moods were all over the place, and I just kind of assumed that was just kind of life. But I also realized that maybe I could take some agency in feeling better. And so I thought I'm going to give this a try. And within about not very long of starting the cream, I found that I was sleeping better, which what mom does not need that. I found also, I was surprised to kind of think, wait a minute, am I experiencing like an evening out of my moods? And indeed I was. Whereas I would used to feel a real low right before my period started, I found that I was just more even-keeled. My mood has been much more like I remember myself being, and just even-keeled. My optimistic kind of self came back. So that to me is tremendous. So even if nothing ever happens with my weight, even if nothing ever were to happen, any more changes, to be sleeping more soundly, sleeping better, and to have my moods even out has been tremendous. So I've been very, very thankful to have started the treatment about 4 months ago.